Today on Destination Polaris.
It's like a whole different experience.
From the bottom to the top, Eastern Tennessee rocks our world.
Destination Polaris is presented by Rugged Radios, the authority in communications.
Welcome to Destination Polaris. This is Tennessee. You might know it for its country music, whiskey, and honky-tonks. But we're here to ride. It's sunny and 75 in Tennessee, so we figured, why not ride in the Cumberland Mountains? It's all getting started here at Windrock Park. Windrock is 40 minutes west of Knoxville. With 73,000 acres and over 300 miles of trails, it's the largest private ride park in America. I turned to Polaris rep Matt Starr and Tommy's Motorsports to assemble today's riding crew.
My name is Matt Starr. I am a district retail manager for Polaris Off-Road. We put together a group. It's a collection of people that are both either employees of Tommy's Motorsports or people that have bought from Tommy's Motorsports.
Among the locals are Windrock regulars Terry and Heather Davis. Today, we're following them.
I have always grew up here around these mountains. Something that we've always loved to do. Is just be outside.
We love Polaris. This is our first UTV. We couldn't ask for any better.
There's 73,000 acres that consist of Windrock. It don't matter how much time you spend on Windrock, you're never going to be able to see every single bit of it.
Being here at Windrock, it's basically our favorite place to ride. You've got a mixture of everything. Basic gravel roads, then you've got moderate trails, and then you've got some really extreme stuff. They are pretty technical.
Terry is not kidding. The trails we're on are technical, to say the least.
We crossed probably, I would say, 4 different terrains today. You know, whether it's water, sand, big ruts through the center of the trail, giant rocks that you have to kind of navigate around. It definitely highlights the beauty of Tennessee Ride Park.
One of those highlights is this waterfall. A hidden gem.
It's called Old Man's Waterfall. A lot of times when we go by there, you know, obviously we'll get out and let our kids play, take pictures. Refill our water bottles to clean our windshields because it's always muddy.
I bet that's cold. I bet it is too. Yeah, we could, bunch of dirty machines here under that clean water.
After it rains, it like pours down.
Oh God. This is awesome. Woo! That's cold. Oh my gosh, that's so cold. Pretty refreshing after seeing all those mud holes out there. So, very fresh and beautiful.
It's easy, accessible.
It's a good place to relax after a hot ride.
Things heat back up when we get back. You're watching Destination Polaris.
Destination Polaris is sponsored by Rugged Radios, the authority in communications. Rockford Fosgate, purpose-built audio. Walton's, everything but the meat. And by Casey's, here for good.
Welcome back to Destination Polaris. Here at Windrock Park in Tennessee, there's not just a little for everyone. There's a lot for everyone. From camping and hiking, to off-roading and world-class mountain biking.
So I'm Raf. I ride a mountain bike, not for a living, unfortunately. And I'm traveling here to Windrock. We're here to enjoy that nice weather that we don't have in Quebec right now. So Windrock is a destination for mountain bike riders, so love it here.
Riders like Raphael travel from all over the world to ride these trails. And off-roaders like us come for this.
Today we've got a bunch of RZR riders. The broad majority of these machines are XP1000, 2 and 4 seat. The XP1000, of course, is the most commonly known RZR that we've got in the lineup for Polaris.
Our leaders, Terry and Heather, came across this mud hole.
Well, we was on Trail 2.
So naturally,
And obviously some bigger machines have been in there playing. So we hit the first hole. It sunk past the headlights and next thing you know, she's swimming to winch me out. So props to her for that.
We got stuck in the mud. Boot full of mud. Wait till I empty my boot out. It's the first time we've ever had to winch out of something.
Oh, that one's deep.
It was like first step too, out of the machine. It was like, well, there's that. And I'm still sloshing. The other one's real bad, it's stuck.
stuck, but not for long.
Gross.
Back to the trail.
Woo!
We rode and rode and rode some more before finally getting up to the flats. My word, we made it.
Yeah, we got some real great rocks.
Can hardly believe it.
We made it!
Here at the Caravelle Flats, it offers hill climbs, very nasty mud holes, and the views are amazing. You can see into other states here.
So you can see all the way to Kentucky from here. If you look straight past the rock quarry, you've got the main heart of La Follette, Tennessee. That's like their Walmart, that's like the main strip through there.
Wow, it's beautiful with the light too.
And I see Waffle House.
Late after, oh, we see Waffle House. Most importantly, we see Waffle House.
Waffle.
Wildlife up here at this place is amazing. When we was stopped earlier, and I'm surprised we haven't had them walk up here while we're in the middle of this interview, but the elk up here are beautiful.
You saw an elk. Yeah, did you see it? I did. I saw it from afar, but you got up close.
And it let me. It just stood there and looked at me. Like, hi, how are you?
An elk sighting rounds out our trip at Windrock Park. When we get back, it's on to another of Tennessee's ride parks.
It's just a wide range of different riding.
Destination Polaris is sponsored by Polaris Adventures. Adventure everywhere. Aluma Trailers, ready to ride when you are. Flow Fast, the ultimate portable fluid transfer system. And by AMSOIL, run with us.
Welcome back to Destination Polaris. Eastern Tennessee has all 4 seasons. And places like Ride Royal Blue offer year-round riding.
I'm Justin Jones. This is my wife Brittany and my son Jack. And we're the owners of Ride Royal Blue ATV Resort and Campground. We have 50 cabins, varying in size and shape. We try to have something for every price point and every type of customer, whether it's one person or a group of 20. Once every couple weeks or so, we'll go out and hit the trails and mingle with some of our customers and just have a good time together.
Today is one of those days. We have a bunch of riders ready to hit the trails. I'm hopping in with our trail guide, Kenny Trout.
Kenny's our general manager, and he's a hot rod. He's a fun time.
Yeah, buddy.
He's a great guy. He's been in this industry a long time. He's been in this area a long time. He's great with the customers, great with the employees. He's really good at all the things that I'm not.
Riding is in his blood.
Yeah,
That's Kenny, yep.
Kenny knows this area inside and out.
It's owned by the state of Tennessee. Over 200 miles of maintained trails, 600 miles of trail system. It's what you want it to be. There's some rough stuff and there's some pretty modern stuff, kind of like what we was on today. Clay, a lot of sand, and a lot of rock. But you can get into what you want to. There's for every riding level. There's a lot of youth here, families here, but it's just a wide range of different riding.
There's something so cool about crossing a creek like this.
I'm having tons of fun. I still have clean shoes.
I'm still pretty good, actually. I found the creek and rinsed everything off.
We're not going near the Widowmaker, are we? Yeah, sure. I'll see y'all later.
We'll save the Widowmaker for next time. How about a great spot for lunch instead?
So we're on top of the world. Pretty spectacular view.
It's amazing.
Gorgeous day. We couldn't
Yes.
have lucked out any better on that. It's perfect. So what am I looking at then?
Kentucky's not too far from there. Jellicoe is in this area. Kentucky's on further.
So pretty. I take my sunglasses off, really. Take it in. Pretty cool. How often do you come up here?
But every time we ride, this is one of the main go-to places.
I can see why. Yeah. I can see why. Perfect lunch spot for us and
Good place to have a little break.
This spot is a Royal Blue favorite, and it's social media manager Casey's first time here.
I've told everybody, you know, top of the world's here, you know, go here, go there. But I've never been here, so it's cool to be able to know where I'm sending them to once I send them. It's crazy. Like, I didn't realize that it was literally like a full, like, 360 situation. I mean, I feel like there's not many places that you can go and, like, look out and see everything.
This part of the world, it is the top of the world.
Look at the view, as long as it ain't raining.
When it's clear, you can see the mountaintops in Virginia. And it's all right here, just a few miles from home.
Top of the world is great, but we haven't peaked yet.
It's like a whole different experience.
To the rock, to the rock. We're in the waterfall. The features just keep getting bigger and better. More when we get back on Destination Polaris.
Destination Polaris is sponsored by Braven Off-Road. Live brave. Rotocap, the ultimate UTV bed cover. Fly Racing, helmets and apparel by riders for riders. And by CanvasWorks, custom, durable, soft-sided enclosures for any trailer.
Welcome back to Destination Polaris. We're in Eastern Tennessee having a blast at Ride Royal Blue.
There's a lot of youth here, families here, but it's just a wide range of different riding.
Time to gear up, but first, we gotta see what they're working with for swag. Let's go inside. Keep your eyes peeled. Today, we're on Sasquatch Watch. Here at Ride Royal Blue, they make it super easy for you. You just give them your information, get logged in, they give you a trail map, and you're free to go.
And once you're out there, you can expect to see all kinds of beauty.
My first time here, I rode on New Year's Eve. This time I really enjoyed it because I feel like I actually got to like slow down and like look at everything and like see my surroundings.
Riding along the trails and seeing the mountains and just being in nature. You know, it's not very often that you get to be in the mountains on a machine and feel totally safe and comfortable and just excellent family time.
Today's final stop has to be my favorite of the trip.
I don't like being in the front because if someone falls,
Oh, you're my cushion.
I'm going down.
You're my cushion.
Yeah, Kenny, watch your step. We're in the waterfall. To the rock, to the rock. This is so cool. Willow Falls. Pretty radical. You can feel, like literally, it is like an air conditioner, how cold it is. And from what I hear, this thing is always running, whether it's like raining.
It'll slow down some, but for the most part, yes, it's always running.
Sometimes when people say waterfall, I'm like,
A little trickle going over a log.
basically, this is a waterfall. This is so cool. And the fact that you can kind of hike in here and see it up close is pretty awesome.
When it's about 100 degrees out, there's your spot.
Right, yes, right under there to cool down. Better than Disney World.
Absolutely.
The real thing.
The real nature,
Yeah.
Nature made, not man made. Beautiful.
He goes, did you
see the bears? And I was like, a little Tennessee joke.
No. When we pulled down, it was a mama bear and a cub.
All right. Now we have bears.
Time to go.
All right, pack it up. We're out of here.
That's old bear cave, Sasquatch, you know, a little bit of everything.
Really?
Yeah. Go knock on his door. He'll let you in.
No thanks.
Well, so it's...
Ding dong ditch.
Yeah.
It's basically keep your eyes peeled now.
Yeah, pretty much. And that rattlesnake by your foot.
From waterfalls to technical trails to 360 vistas. Eastern Tennessee has features for everyone.
It's like a whole different experience. Like, it's so hard to explain if you've never rode before. It's just like everything that you leave back at home is just sitting there. Because like if you get out and something breaks down, nothing you can do. So you just need to enjoy it while you're out there.
Such a peaceful time. It's some of the best companionship time you can have as well with your partner out on the trails and with friends and meeting new friends today as we have. Woo! Like when you get up to areas like this up here at the lookout, the stress of everyday life in the world just goes away.